ROG Azoth is easily the most important keyboard announced at CES. I like to say it's like the first successful fusion dance between gaming and customizable enthusiast-grade keyboards. 75%, an OLED display screen, and a metal top casing. The keyboard is a gasket-mounted wireless mechanical keyboard. You'll find factory-lubed ROG proprietary NX switches, which are hot swappable, alongside their own PBT shine-through keycaps for all the real gamers out there. You get a brush, lube, a tray to lube your switches, switch and keycap puller, all in the box, bro. Somebody at ROG has been paying attention to what us keyboard enthusiasts are really into, and met us right in the middle. I'm stoked to see what other brands follow suit in terms of design and quality.